So just speak on growing up in Burton or Beaufort, South
Yeah,
Carolina.
absolutely, man. Beaufort, Burton is the stomping ground, for my family, the guys I grew up with, the BFA, my brothers from another. Beaufort. I started at Shell Point, then Broad River Elementary, and moved on to the legendary Robert Smalls Middle School,
Hmm.
Battery Creek. You had your trials and tribulations in Burton, man, growing up, riding bikes, playing outside until sun up and sundown, eating blackberries, sour weed, just being a child, man, from the country. It's beautiful, man. I'm gonna say putting, what is it, like soda cans in the back of your bike to make it the
Yeah.
motorcycle sound, all of that stuff, man,
Or
growing up.
or cards.
Yeah, absolutely.